Which of the following is not a factor of m? Well, let's first find the LCM for 90, 196, and 300. And the way you do that, you break each one down to prime factors. So 90 is 3 squared times 5 times 2. 196 was 7 squared times 2 squared. And you can see how the steps I broke that down. And 300 is 3 times 2 squared times 5 squared. So my factors, common factors between those were 2, 3, 5, and 7. And you go back and you ask yourself, what's the most each of those factors showed up in either one case? So if you look at 90, you have 1, 2. If you look at 196, you have 2 2s. And if you look at 300, you have 2 2s. What was the most you said? The most you said was 2. 3s. In 90, you have 2 3s. 196, you don't have any. In 300, you have 1. What was the most you said? Twice. Do the same thing for 5s. You have 1 5, no 5s, 2 5s. The most you showed up was twice. 7. No factors of 7 in 90. 2 factors of 7 in 196. None in 300. The most you said was 2. So there's your LCM. And then I looked up. I looked at 600 and I broke it down to 2 cubed, 3 times 5 squared. And you've got an extra factor of 2 here. So 600 cannot be a factor of m. And remember, m is the least common multiple of 90, 196, and 300, which is what I found here. So I looked up with 600 being listed first. Thank you.